Here we're going to look at question 24 from section 2 of the BMAT 2018 paper. So in this question we're asked to simplify this expression x over x minus 1, take away x squared plus 3 over x squared plus 2x minus 3. So if you'd like to have a go at this yourself, then please pause the video now, otherwise let's have a go at it together. So to try and do this, there's a few different things you might immediately think of trying. And one of those might be turning it into a single fraction together. And to do that, what we would do is multiply this fraction by x squared plus 2x minus 3, and this fraction by our denominator x minus 1. But if we do that, then we're going to see that we get a cubic on the bottom and a cubic on the top. And cubics generally are a bit tricky to try and deal with. So let's not try doing that route. Let's instead see if there's anything simpler we could do. So we do have a quadratic equation here. Now, one thing we can do with quadratic equations quite easily is factorise them. So if we do that to this denominator here, then we're going to get this, turning our x squared plus 2x minus 3 into x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 3. And now hopefully we should see something in common between our two fractions, and that is this factor of x minus 1 on the bottom. So what we could do is just factorise that out and make our two expressions a little bit simpler. And now at this point, there's not really anything obvious we could do, because we can't cancel out anything from this side of the fraction, since x squared plus 3 is not going to cancel with x plus 3 due to this squared here. These two things aren't the same. So the only thing which we could try is turning this into a single fraction. So if we multiply this by x plus 3, then we're going to get x multiplied by x plus 3 giving us x squared plus 3x. Take away our x squared plus 3, or becoming x squared take away 3. And that's all over the same denominator. So of course then we can just tidy this up by cancelling out our x squared terms, since we've got a positive one and a negative one, finally giving us this answer. So there is one more thing which we could do with this, and that is factorise out a 3 from the top, which of course we'll see gives us a factor of x minus 1 on the top and on the bottom. So these are just going to cancel out, giving us this final answer of 3 over x plus 3, which is just going to correspond with B given in the question.